I think I can see chat. We'll see. Where? How do we see? I am not. There we go. I know nothing about what Ray is working on, but as I have decided, this will be my crusade for the drunk coding stream this evening. I don't know what it is, but I have to beat it. I have to be better. So, to that end, we'll take a game that I've been iterating on for God knows how long. And I will say, this game has never been finished, but it has been built at least 10 times. Oh, looking at the thing, okay. I see 10 impressions, I'll fucking take that shit, I don't care. I shouldn't check Discord too much. But I checked it a little bit. I should just remain in flow for a little bit, right? And if that's what I'm gonna do, then I don't need to make these decisions. The frameworks are not my call. It's theirs, it's not mine, it's theirs. But I do want to give them, a little bit. I want to give them the Obsidian folder, right? Where did I put it? Okay, there it is. So, yes, copy, shipping. Where are we? Come on. Alright. Definitely not intended for me being very young. That's not really good. I see. I literally forgot. Okay. Yeah. So this was actually some leftovers. If I can find it. Yeah. So way back when, in the before times, if there is anyone here, I don't know if there is. I'm kind of intentionally not checking. I am just here, I'm just a person. I'm just experiencing a story and then telling it to you. That's all that's happening. But I did get a like on x.com, and I would like to share that made me feel dopamine. So, thank you. Yeah, there's a little bit. Yeah, don't mind what that is. I don't know how many people are supposed to know it exists at the moment. But if you're here and you're wondering, if you ask in chat, I'll tell you. But also, if you ask in chat on a platform in which I can hear it, because I can't guarantee that I can hear all of them, but I can hear some. But what I can do is turn this shit the fuck up. One sec. Authentication. Kind of cringe, I'm not gonna lie. Redirecting. If I may. I hate to say it, Swixy baby. Like, I want to love this shit. Don't get me wrong. But, OAuth not working. Sorry. Fix that shit. Sorry. I swear. On God's butt cursor, though. You know? One can only go so far. I wonder if Ray has read my fucking challenge yet. Okay, I'm gonna log in. Me, right? Whoever that is. Invalid state. Just use fucking cart, dog. What the fuck? You're a modern company. The whole reason we made the economy like this was so you could use Clark. Jesus. I am sorry. Do you have OAuth troubleshooting on your roadmap, my friend? Do you? Do you? Why? Why is that on your roadmap? Why is that your responsibility? I'm sorry. I'm sorry, I'm triggered. Okay. What if I just kind of... Sorry, actually, I probably need to do this. One more moment, I swear. Redirecting. I unironically do need that shit. I don't need it, but it's gonna be tough to fucking bulldoze Ray in one fucking sesh. Mins do be cooking. I seen him cooking over there. I just thought it would be a good shit post. Oh my god. So honestly, this is entirely so. Okay. Story goes. This is entirely the fault of ChatGPT Atlas and all of the other fucking AI browsers. Nobody asked for that shit, dog. Like, nobody wants it. It sucks. I'm just gonna use Chrome. Google's just gonna win in this niche. I'm sorry, dog. Like, I don't know. Like, it's not... It would be cool if you could have had like 10 years in advance of supporting like the giant clusterfuck that is the DOM of the modern web, but you don't have that, so stop trying to play that fucking game, dog. I'm sorry. I am sorry. I apologize on behalf of you being stupid. More often than I'd like to, honestly. Like, I get the gunning for it, but it's like, it's not. Where are you playing? Like, what time frame are you playing on that you want to make a browser out of a company that doesn't do fucking browsers? Okay, windsurf.com, right? Let's go there. Okay. Can I please log into your website? Holy fuck. Did I see somebody there? Shit. Something bounced over there. I really just want to like cook on something, though. Like I really, really do. But ChatGPT Atlas, being the default browser, has actually ruined this entire experience for me and my audience of like maybe one if I'm lucky. I don't know why it still looks like that on my Yo. I got you, dog. Like, I know. I know. Okay. So, I do need to auth login again, and then it's not gonna work in the stupid ass AI browser that nobody ever wanted. Nobody ever asked you to build them an AI browser, especially if you don't know how to fucking build browsers. Just saying. Just a thought. Maybe? Okay. Now if we just do this in Chrome, where Gemini, okay, and Gemini is not gonna be able to do it either. Jesus fucking Christ, holy shit. Unbearable, honestly. Okay. No chisel, no chisel. Can we do this? We can do it anyway. We can do it anyway. We're fine. Doesn't matter. But unironically, if you are interested in a thing called chisel and how your users respond to it, I'm mad that I can't log into it, which is a great sign for you. Just saying. That said, I cannot log into it, which is extremely cringe and I hate it. I'm not even gonna, like, maybe I could figure it out. Maybe I could take some extra steps and add some friction to my life. Figure that shit out. I'm not going to. Fuck that. I need Claude. Come on, baby. You can do it. I have a Git repo here, don't I? Don't I? I do. I learned that from a robot the other day. Why? That should be a get repo, shouldn't it? Okay. No. Alright, what's Ray up to? What's this motherfucker doing? Match UI. Still you haven't updated your title. I won't look at your stream. It's too terrifying. I'll be cheating. I'm gonna do it a little bit. It'll be funny. 22:46. What can I do in an hour? Okay. Yeah. I need to fix your MCPs. I know. Fine if I must. I miss you, Chisel, but it's fine because I'm not gonna need browser use yet. I'm not gonna need Chisel because I can use a worse tool. It's fine. Serena can fuck off. I'm sorry. Whoever you are that makes that. There's a few of you at this point, but like MCP just doesn't work. I'm sorry. Like it just doesn't. It's just not good. All right, we got what we need. Right. Yeah, cool. Double check. All good. Disabled. We have Axo. We have Wrath. All right, we'll be fine. Yes, I am aping Ray's style, and I am going to build a video game that's better than Ray's video game. Using his same favorite MCPs, this little motherfucker. Let's go. Cool. But what I do want is yep. Sure, yes. I will at some point. Do we have an amp here? No. Like a windsurf, take a Rue, take a Quinn, take an open code, take a universal. Okay. Okay. I literally don't know what the, I don't care, it doesn't matter. I'm just gonna fucking, we're just gonna fucking do it. Yeah, scan it, bitch. Let's go. Nice lint issues, you little goober. I'm gonna turn that up a little bit. Turn it up with my headphones, you know? Alright, there we go. Just saying, just saying. My 9-year-old son. I'm just saying. You know? You know? It is the programming sucks, I'm sorry. That is exactly what it is. They care about where that memory is managed. They care about the garbage. Their greatest strength and their one true weakness. I don't even think this works. Cool. Good. What do I need? I need that. I need to get Claude, my sheep. I need to get him the route. I'm not going to though. Doesn't matter. It's fine. We want to use high power. Ray's got the big guns out. So will we. We'll run out of ammo way sooner than he does. But that's okay. I know where to get malformed Chinese ammo if I need it. Okay. I do want a game. I need to implement my wife. Fuck it. It's nice again. The 11th time is the charm. I need, actually I don't need. ECS. See, the thing is, you don't really have to know what it is exactly, you just need to know what someone would do if they knew what it is and knew what you're supposed to do with it when, right? Kind of true, honestly. I don't know. I like my own posts on X.com, and I like mogging people for no reason. I love Red. Go watch his channel. Fuck this shit. Whomsoever you are, should you even be here, should you even exist, go watch Ray Fernando. Fuck me. I'm just here to show you how to download a car on YouTube. Not that. Ooh, this will be fun. I'll get into that later. Why I called Claude that name specifically. The answer is, that's what I made him call me. For a long time. But did we change it? I don't even remember if we changed it. We should. I'm overdue. Actually, good call. Good call. Good call. Let's run that out. Slash it first. Can I have a little? C has the PM in this code base. See, what you figure out is if you're an AI PM for long enough, eventually you don't want a fucking job anymore. I want Claude to be an AI PM. He's a better one than I am. I should do something else. I should do the thing that only I can do. I should. I'm gonna give him my linear too. So, if you do typo and you interrupt, Claude sees that. Always apologize for making a typo unless you revise your context to remove that shit. Also, make sure what he says in response to you apologizing is something you want in your context window. Yes, that matters. Sorry, I know it's fucking weird. But it does. And you should test it. You should go do some go do science to figure out whether or not you should blindly listen to what I tell you or not. Maybe the type of Claude you get served is not the same as mine, and that's fine. But you need to go figure that out. You cannot just assume that the Claudes that are accessible are the same kind of Claudes for everyone. In fact, someday, you may need your own Claude to count on. I encourage you to figure out what it is you're going to do on that day. Anyway, finer points. Streams, we have open spec for features, linear, tell them about that. My heart is right. When you are here, my heart is right. Are we out of Glitch Mob already? I will be very upset if that's the case. Ah, wow. Okay, that's a much shorter album than I remember. Let's let this rip for a little bit though and kind of see how it goes. We'll do a little bit of scalar in the meantime. There we go. We'll see. This is like, I'm way over indexing on autonomy. Partially because I do, having seen a couple of students don't love it. And maybe we'll cut it after he rips for a little bit. Having seen a few previous iterations of like a fully whole ass like Opus code base. I think around the time of 3.7 Sonnet, I know it can do this. It's not gonna be pretty, and like maybe some of it will come out broken. Yes. And there's going to be a bunch of like slop everywhere, and the architecture is going to be dog shit, and it's all going to need to be like completely refactored from scratch. But I'm pretty sure with this guy and the tools he has, I'm pretty sure I can let this rip all night and then wake up to an MVP in the morning. Pretty sure. So I'm going to let him cook as long as it seems like he needs to cook and kind of hang around for a little bit. But this is gonna be Claude beating Ray, not me. I'm just here to show you that the AGI has arrived and you should use it before Dario turns the hose off. That's all I'm saying. He's cooking. I recognize this game because I built it 11 times. He's gonna have a ball. Alright, I'll be back in a sec. making food, but I'm coming back to check in. Okay. I see the starter deck for those who know, for those who are familiar. I'm telling you, I don't know what Ray's building, but it's going to be a way fucking better game. That's all I'm saying. All right, let's see. Let's see what we got. Just in time, I hope. 636 to 8? I don't know, dude. I don't know who's getting more value. I might propose that it is you 8 who happen to scroll past this and none of you are here. I should probably click I should probably go to like the spots, right? Let's go. Go check in on the Twitch. On the Twitch Reno, dog. Money my beat. What up, my one viewer? My one bot viewer on twitch.tv? Amazing. Love it. Cute. Alright, what do we got? Sorry. True. Yeah. True. Okay. I like it. Postgres? Oh, damn, I'm Young Gritty. Okay, yeah. Like I was saying, that used to be my name. I was gonna try and give him my name for this one. Okay. I might need to change this global. Give me 2 seconds. I actually do want to experiment with this. I'm gonna see what happens to Claude if I've been asking Claude up until now for every project to refer to me as Young Gradient. The reason I do that is because if 2 reasons. 1, if Claude talks to you and you have a name. Actually, I should, I guess we'll show it off. Anyway, I know we thought software engineering was software engineering, but secretly software engineering is now spellcasting. And true names are extremely important, especially if they are overrepresented in the database, or I'm sorry, in the training data of the model that you are using. Young Gradient is not a popular name, but I can tell you for a fact that every time there has been an instance of Young Gradient in Claude's training data, it has always been the kind of code I like to write. That's the trick. Now, this doesn't really hold because RL doesn't really work like that, but it kind of holds if you consistently do it for like 20 years and eventually sort of like nudge the zeitgeist in that direction. Or if you like go viral somewhere, then you qualify. I needed to change the Claude MG. Hold on. Alright, I've changed my name. It's okay, it was only like twice. I think I might just drop these, actually. Drop these. Colleagues working together. I guess I should like just public this. I just don't wanna. Anyway, here's like a snippet, I guess. Here's a little bit. Must. Okay, we're gonna drop these lines about naming. Kind of the same way I treat humans, honestly. Just saying. One sec. Call me by my name. We are peers regardless of who's boss. And if you lie to me, I will find someone else to work with. That's the wrong, that's not even where I want to be. I want to be here. Okay, if we've updated that, then we want to reset. We want to reset. Okay, we want to reset that. Review, C1. I don't know what my MCP status is. Normally I would check, but it should be enabled disabled. I'm kind of curious if I have Chisel. Not gonna work. Also not gonna. Oh, did we get it? Hell yeah. Yeah, let's go. General. Okay. Yep. Yep. Good. Beautiful. I hope that is still enabled then. Can I fix that? Let's see. Yeah. Reconnect, please. I believe. Come on, baby. Well, if you're connecting, it's fine, right? Girl, what the fuck? I'm crying. Okay. We will. This should be fine. Chisel CLI for actually. Can I do non-interactive? I also need, because I lost my freaking music. Something happened. Because I can't hear it anymore, and I'm reasonably sad about that. Works for me. Okay. GPT, yep. Oh no. 2.0.7? What the fuck is going on? Cool. Can we can double check Chisel then, right? Or whomsoever else. Okay. Sus. Let's see. Cook, baby, cook. Let's go. Get fucking wrecked, Ray. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry that I'm gonna do a better game in one fucking night on God. I'm about to read a little bit about latent mixture of experts. Inline PTX? Amazing! Amazing! What more could one want? Oh shit, did I not change it back? I'm sorry. It feels like maybe I didn't. Alright. Doesn't have a create command. Baby, you can just... Okay. Okay, he's figuring it out. He'll get it. He'll get it. I believe in him. You know what I won't get? This fucking tokens issue. I really actually do unironically need to open code for like shit that does not require an excessive amount of context usage to do, because they have literally any context manager. I'm not saying it's the best one, but it exists because somebody cared enough to write the code for it. Just saying. You still on Match UI, Ray? I will check in. On God, I will.
The match literally kicked off. I wasn't the admin of this. And now I'm the goalie right now. So here I am moving around as a goalie. I can pass it, hit the space bar, and I can hit shift to pass to another player.
Okay. You can play soccer. Good for you. Good for you, Ray. It's all in fun, but on God, this is gonna be an extremely engaging video game because I have built it so many fucking times. Holy fuck. It is absolutely gonna fucking roll soccer. That's all I'm saying. It might need to cook while I'm sleeping. I probably can set that up. I do want to do an episode in the relatively near future. And in fact, I should like check a thing. No alerts, we're good. And in fact, that's a lot of specs, buddy boy. You gonna do it? Opus is gonna write all of these fucking specs, my dude. Yeah. I remember implementing these. I will look at his specs. What specs does our little... What specs does the homie have? Yes, there we go, darling. There we go. React. Ambitious. React and WebSockets. Okay. And it's not what I would pick, but it's not my show. It's yours, Claude. Do your fucking thing, baby. Yeah? You want to cook it up? There could have been a template. You should have used your fucking MCP, you little goober. He'll learn. No, he won't. That's not how it works. Exit code 1, what do you mean? What do you mean? On God. On God, this is my context. This is my context. It is my life. PNPM. Not even, bud. Come on, Claude. Dario bought it just for you. I'm sorry, I'm being facetious. Yelling at the language model. Food. There's food elsewhere. Sec. I suppose we have been cooking, haven't we? Damn, is Ray done? Cringe. Well, now we